It's the first time that we lose for Liga Sato here on Pare Pare. We are sad, but this is football. Assalamu alaikum. Salamat malam. I think first half we have all the chances of the game. We score a goal. We have more opportunities. Unfortunately, we just score one goal. I remember at least Yanche big chance with a big defense of goalkeeper of them. I think just number 39 make a shoot, but too much far away from our goal. Second half, we give space to number 23 to cross, and we know that they are strong on this. They make the draw, satu-satu. After this, we have opportunities. We make a risk. I make some substitutions to try to win the match. Unfortunately, the opportunities that we have, we not score. And after we get a card. I don't want to speak about referee today, sorry. It's too much mistakes to speak. And after on the defensive transition, they have lucky because Ricky tried to cut the ball to outside, but the ball take the foot of Dewa player, and they cross, and the number 39 scored the goal. It's the first time that we lose for Liga Sato here on Pare Pare. We are sad, but this is football. I am happy with the supporters that come to support us. I hope that in the future they come and more supporters come. Also, I wish that the supporters of PCM can be a family, PCM Makassar, that everybody be friend of everybody, not have bad things between them, because the target is to help the players to give extra energy. Congratulations to Dewa, because they have the chances and they score goals. Unfortunately, today we don't score goals.
Ya, terima kasih. Tentu dengan hasil ini kita semua tentu kecewa, tetapi para pemain juga sudah memberikan kerja kerasnya yang terbaik. Kami meminta maaf kepada seluruh supporter PSM Makassar dimanapun berada. Kami belum bisa memberikan hasil yang terbaik untuk hari ini. Semoga di pertandingan-pertandingan berikutnya kita bisa lebih baik lagi. Terima kasih.
Saya mau bertanyakan soal kalau dilihat hasilnya kan waktu laga Persija lawan PSM ini keadaan 2-1. Untuk dengan hasil yang kedua ini, gimana kira-kira PSM untuk bisa menghadapi laga berikutnya? Apakah kemudian ini bisa jadi apa namanya? Ada hal-hal yang kemudian mungkin bisa dibenahi atau seperti apa kira-kira tanggapannya? Kemudian yang kedua tadi Yakob dicadangkan, mungkin ada apa? Apakah ada alasan khusus kenapa kemudian Yakob dicadangkan? Karena kan kalau kita lihat kemudian itu berpengaruh ke apa namanya, dari sisi permainan serangan yang dibangun oleh PSM. Oke, terima kasih.
Opponent team have goalkeeper, former under 21 national team Netherlands. Opponent team. Central back, Lima number, from Montenegro, something like this national team. Number 22, 22, from national team Greece. Number 11, national team Lebanon. Number 39, Brazilian guy, play Japan League and also China League. When you go to travel, you can go by first class or economy class. Sometimes we must go by boat because we don't have money to travel. So please, respect our team. Football is draw, is winning, is losing. Today we lose because opponent team get chances to score, do a goal. We have more chances than them, in my opinion. They have Bagus player. But the way that we play, of course I'm not very happy because we lose. I think we can do better. we can score goals, the opportunities that we have, but we must be prepared because, as I say to you before the start the season, and I sent message last match on Persija press conference, the expectations of our supporters must be down. We must not focus what we make before. Today, I give an example. Today, I was a little sad when I go and see not too much people to support us. And after I saw between the less people, something that you saw also on half time. And I hope that never come back this, because one of the proud that as a team we have, we can say that supporters of PSM Makassar never make problems. At least last season, never. I never saw a problem. So this is what we must do. This is football. We lose because we try to score the second goal. If not, we draw. We lose because, unfortunately, we get meta card. If we go analyze what's happened with the other team that is on the game, you're going to see many mistakes. But I don't want to speak about mistakes. Because I speak, but always happen, and I don't see mistakes in the other side. I just see in our side. You have Bali, two matches. You have Persija, one match. I don't want to speak about these things. What I want to say is, when you have 10 eggs, you can make fantastic omelette. When you don't have eggs, it's difficult. But these guys are the same guys last season, make fantastic omelette. But we need the supporters to support us. I am very happy the supporters that come today. I hope that they come again. But please, next match, come more supporters. It's totally different. Terima kasih. There is a new rule about Jacob. There is a new rule that need to play under 23 player. So this is one of the reasons. I think, in my opinion, Vitor played the first half, make good performance. It's a boy with 18 years old, so come on. I think it was fantastic. So it was a strategy to put Vitor and not put Jacob.